I will explain briefly. The story is about the Holy Prophet Muhammad SAW and the solar grapes. One day, a poor man brought a bunch of grapes to the Holy Prophet Muhammad SAW as a gift. Rasulullah SAW ate one of the grapes, and then he ate two and three, and then the whole bunch of grapes by himself. He didn't offer grapes to anyone present. The poor man who brought those grapes was still pleased and left. Then one of Sahaba asked, "O Prophet of Allah Muhammad SAW, how could you eat all the grapes by yourself and didn't offer to anyone else present?" The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, smiled and said, "I ate all the grapes by myself because the grapes were sour. If I would have offered you, you might have made funny faces, and that would have hurt the feelings of that poor man. I thought to myself that is better. I ate all of them cheerfully and pleased the poor man. I didn't want to hurt the feelings of the poor man." Such were the manners of this most noble Prophet Muhammad SAW. So, when the beloved Muslim and Muslimah, in their short course we can take one conclusion: the respectful, the people was a great and beautiful attitude. Let's make our attitude good by example as our Prophet Rasulullah SAW into our daily life. Thank you for your attention. Usikum wa nafsi bitaqwallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.